In this video, what we're going to cover is how we can edit or add new text to our website. So it's nice and easy. As you can see, we've already logged in with our username and password. So we've got these additional options up here now on our website. But let's just have a look at how we can use those. So let's just say we want to go to a particular page. Let's just say we're just on this particular page here. We go, all right, we want to add some new text to this page and update it. Like I said, because we're already logged in, we can just click on this edit page. We're on the page that we want to update and edit, and it takes us into the administration part. So you can see that there's the text that we're looking at, and it's kind of nice and easy to do now, because what we can do is, if we wanted to add more text, it's a bit like Word. We just click in that text box there, and we can type new text. You can see that was pretty straightforward. And here's a few little points too. When you do make modifications to the text, if you want to make it go live, you'd click update, or you can click preview. And what preview does is, you can see that we can look at the website, what it would look like, and without it actually going live. So I'm just going to close that window again. But if you click update, then it actually makes it go live on the website itself, so everyone can see those changes. So up to you if you want to just click preview, or if you just feel confident, you can just click update. And so you saw how we just went in there and added the new text. So what happens if you want to add a new paragraph? A couple of different ways you can do it. You can just put your mouse at the end there and just click return, and there is a new line. So that was easy. And just say if you wanted to bold a word, you can just highlight it like this, or if you want to italicize something, you can just click on here. So let's just say now that we've done this, and we want to create a another heading. So we can click return. I'm just going to write hello heading, but you'll notice that that's not an actual heading that we want. So we can actually just come up here to the left and change block type, and here we can select it to be a heading. So we can just do that, and you can see that that's done that for us. We'll just keep it on the H2, and if I click return, it'll take us back to another normal, whoops, that spelling is not right, but I'm just going to write normal paragraph. And so let's just have a look at some other options of adding another heading. Not to confuse you, but just to show you another way. If you are, just say for example here, and you want to add a block, because this is what it would be called, a heading block. So we just click add a block. You can see it gives us all these options. So we've got another heading there. So what that does is adds a heading block above it. And just another way, there's all these different ways you can use this options in here as well. So wherever you are, just let's just go down the bottom there, and up the top here it says add a block. So you can once again use this. I'm just going to click add a heading block, and you can see that that's now been added down the bottom there. So there's a few different ways there, and so that was pretty straightforward actually. So that's nice and easy. So once again, you can just go back in and click text if you want those ones. If you want to delete, just say you want to delete a few paragraphs together, or paragraph and heading, you just put your mouse in there and you just drag up, and you can select all them, and you can either click on over here, and you can click remove blocks, or you can just do your keyboard shortcuts and just delete that. So I'm just showing you how I'm doing it here. And once again, I'm going to just highlight that and just click delete. That's the same thing. So I think that's pretty much, just keep that short and sweet now, just so you can see how you can add and edit text. So if you were wanting to actually just copy and paste, you could do that exact same thing, where you could come down to the bottom here, hit return, and then do your keyboard shortcuts and paste your new text into your little paragraph box there, and then you can format it as you need to. So you could go through and highlight things, how I demonstrated before, to change it to a heading if you needed to. But anyway, yeah, if you have any questions, just put them below in the comments box, and yeah, I hope that explained a few things for you. All right, and always remember just to click that update button when you want those changes to be made live to the website. Yeah, so that was it.